Whether you're crafting a resume, writing a professional letter, or preparing any important document, Microsoft Word has features that can help you create polished and effective work. Today, we're sharing the best practices for using Word to make your resumes, letters, and documents stand out. Stick around until the end, and if this helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, always use templates when creating resumes or letters. Word offers professionally designed templates that give your documents a clean, structured layout without spending hours on formatting. Starting with a template also ensures consistency and saves you valuable time. Next, take advantage of styles for headings and text. Using styles keeps your document organized and allows you to make global changes quickly. For example, if you need to update the font or color of all headings in a resume or report, applying a style ensures everything updates automatically, making your documents look consistent and professional. Alignment and spacing are also crucial. Avoid using the spacebar or Enter key to adjust formatting. Instead, use paragraph spacing, line spacing, and tabs to create properly aligned text. This ensures your resume, letter, or document looks clean and readable, which is essential when making a strong impression. Quick Parts and AutoText can save you time when writing recurring content like cover letters, salutations, or standard paragraphs. By saving these elements, you can insert them with a click, reducing repetitive typing and keeping your documents consistent across multiple submissions. Finally, always proofread using Word's editor and read aloud features. These tools catch spelling and grammar errors, improve clarity, and help ensure your documents are polished before sending. For resumes and professional letters, this step can make the difference between standing out and being overlooked. By following these best practices, you can create resumes, letters, and documents in Word efficiently, professionally, and without unnecessary hassle. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Word tutorials, and share this with someone who wants to improve their professional documents. Thanks for watching.